I'm finishing the waxing on the boat today. That is my goal, assuming that my arms hold out. But I'm almost done. I just have this hull and the backside left to go. And I've got the fancy little scaffolding. It is very fancy for here because on the other side, the boats are too close together and I just had to use a plank of wood. So this hopefully should go much better and be a lot easier. Wish me luck. I'm Nikki, this is Jason, and this is our floating home Curiosity. We set sail 4 years ago, and some 13,000 nautical miles later, we landed in the Kingdom of Tonga, where we decided to haul out for cyclone season, visit family, and load up on a crate full of much-needed boat supplies. Sadly, because of COVID, our poor boat sat abandoned for a year. But we're back, ready to work, and get our girl back in the water.
Mama said what you wanna be when you grow up doesn't matter that much as long as you're tough.
Got a beautiful island. Oh, watch out for that shark behind you. Oh.
I had to remember, I was like, is there actually a shark on the boat? Oh, okay. The wax that I'm using, I wanted to tell you about that because it does a really good job of buffing out the mold stains and stuff that were left over because I did wash the boat really well, but I couldn't get it all off. But this is a cleaner wax, which was actually recommended to me by Rufus. Thank you, Rufus and Kate. You know, they are professional crew, so they're used to maintaining boats. It was Rufus's favorite and the best for getting out the mold stains and all that kind of stuff because he was dealing with that in Panama when we were too. And it's the Starbright cleaner wax with the PTFE or whatever. I'll insert a photo or something here. But anyway, it does a really good job and leaves behind a nice shine. So thank you very much, Rufus, for the tip. I am still using it.
In fact, we shipped it halfway around the world. It's so good.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, because we've tried lots of other stuff and it really truly doesn't work as well. So this stuff actually does a pretty good job. And no, we are not sponsored, but dear Starbright. All right, back at it.
Oh, there's nothing to it, you gotta just do it. 'Cause everybody seems to want it a lot, and if they're right, I see you shoot straight to the top. But before whenever things get rough, why you gotta be tough. Yeah, you gotta be.
While Nikki's waxing, I've been removing all of our starter batteries to get them charged so we could start the engines and test them before we splash. Also, I've been removing the underwater lights because we are one of the first boats with these underwater lights, and what we liked about them is how flat they are, and there's only a teeny tiny little hole in the hull. Unlike some of the others with a massive hole with the lights that only spread such a narrow field, but this one spreads a huge field of light, which we liked with a small. Unfortunately, a few of them have failed, so they've replaced them under warranty, but they have a completely new design, totally encased around the outside, whereas these just had an encasing on the front and not on the back. So I think this all new design will hold up better, at least that's what they're telling me. That's why I'm removing the underwater lights and installing these new ones before we do the bottom paint. It's the tightest spot.
Yeah, go slowly.
Honey,
Oh, yes.
are you going all the way?
Going all the way
Gonna finish it all?
to the bitter end.
Oh man. You're gonna be exhausted.
I am earning my beer.
I guess I should put some beers in the freezer because there's none in there right now.
Freezer?
Yeah, so it gets cold.
It's true. I have no idea what time it is.
No. 3, 4.
Ooh, I got work to do.
Just enjoy the island view, honey.
You know, it's just this fresh sea breeze is keeping me going.
I'm almost done over here. Basically, I just have to get it pretty close because we're gonna sand this whole thing before we paint it. So this is gonna get properly sanded. So it's getting close. All right, that's clean enough. All 6 are done, removed, and ready for bottom sanding. The company's called Mac Grius, I believe that's how you pronounce it. We've had them for about 4 years, and they worked great for the first 3 years, and I was really happy with them. So hopefully this new product will last another 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years maybe. Anyway, I think we have a discount code. I'll link to it in the description if we do, if it's still active. But yeah, they're affordable, they're easy to install, and they put out a crap load of light.
You gotta be, yeah, you gotta be. You gotta be tough, you gotta be, you know you gotta be. You gotta be tough.
Before the mosquitoes get too bad, it's almost sunset. They usually come out like in full force.
They're already coming out.
Yeah,
My
well-
legs will tell you.
They'll get even worse. Pulling the oil out of the generator so we can service that. I cleaned all of our diesel tanks to get the diesel bug out. These are our Jerry jugs, not our diesel tanks. Jerry jugs. Cleaned all those and just trying to prep everything that I possibly can so we can splash. Engine-wise,
Yep.
diesel-wise, oil-wise, battery-wise. Oh, I replaced the rectifier too, and that's the thing that like overcharged our batteries. So
It's a generator thing.
been a good day.
And I finished waxing the hull, which kind of just now happens. Yay! Progress! Okay, I'm putting down this camera because my arm's kind of
Mama said what you wanna be when you grow up doesn't matter that much as long as you're tough.
Delivery! It's like Christmas.
Yeah! A month later, I finally get to finish my project. The new water purifier and filtration system is here.
Wait. Are you gonna go down under?
Yeah. Going down under.
Money shot.
Okay. We've done it 5 minutes this time. I swear.
Famous last. Okay.
You see a blue light. Here we go.
Blue light.
Blue light.
Oh, orange light.
Crap. Because I already disassembled it a month ago. It should be. Yeah. Okay. Done. Quickest job ever. Okay.
And that's the boat berth.
Voila. Old one. New one.
Okay,
They look
It's the
exactly
same?
the same.
so what's the difference?
Oh, let me just double check. I'm pretty sure this one's 1.0 liters per minute flow, and this one is 5 liters per minute. What the tech told me on the phone was we're actually one of the first people, the consumers, I guess, to have one of these, because before Acuvit did a bunch of stuff for commercial and like big houses and stuff like that. So we're like literally one of the first people with a personal unit for like RV Marine. Yeah, the fault light we were getting is one that they had never seen before. So they asked me once we install the new one if I could send the old one back so they can take this whole thing apart and learn from whatever happened to this one, so hopefully they can troubleshoot it in the future if it ever happens for somebody else.
Right,
So
but of
that's-
course, we're so unique.
We're so unique. We're always like number one.
Number one.
Number
Nope.
one. Hopefully, it should just be plug and play. Unfortunately, we have to install the faucet as well because they have like a new sort of connector for the faucet. But it shouldn't be difficult.
Nope.
That's what I said last time a
Yep.
month ago when I started this project.
Yeah, you know. That's what we say about every project.
Oh no!
I'm sorry, I can't help myself. Kent, this one's for you, buddy.
Quick, lock it. Put something in front of it.
Oh, what a joker. This goes up like that. There we go. Hey, it's on.
Speaking of Kent, he actually called and he said you should probably use a real tool.
He doesn't like Gerbers. He says we should use Leathermans. So he gave me one last time I was there. It says just catamarans. And then hashtag make a difference. Thanks, Kent.
It's possessed. Oh,
Almost there.
that's what she said.
Okay, you should be able to pull it out.
Oh, yep. Just keep coming.
Yeah. It's a long one, so prepare yourself.
Sorry, kids. Can't help myself.
Okay,
Okay.
a little further.
Hold on.
And hold on, here it comes. All right.
Oh.
Oy, oy, oy. Okay, cool. Now I need the other tap.
Okay. This guy. Nope. Nope. Get rid of that. This is definitely not appropriate anymore. Whoa, easy.
Sorry.
Easy. Filters.
This is the pre-filter here, which removes contaminants and kind of like a carbon filter. And then this is the RO filter that goes on the outside, so the outlet, before it comes out of the tap, and this remineralizes. It has 2 different chambers in here that remineralize the water, since we use RO water. That's what these 2 things are. I'm gonna go there. Okay, it fits good.
And these last like 6 months or
6
something,
months
right?
to a year, depending on which one they sent. Woo! That's tight. Yeah, yep.
You want me to turn the water pump off?
Woo! Good thing I didn't take it apart here. It would have gone everywhere. Yes, turn off the water pump. Thank you. Coming in to the filter. So then it goes in here. Gets UV-ified.
UV-ified.
Out. And then into the RO. Oh, that's a cover. Aw, man.
What?
That is one of these. I need some Teflon tape.
Okay. I'm not judging you, but it's been more than 5 minutes.
I know. I'm cutting wires and putting on the thingies.
So technical.
Yeah, and then I'm using the fire here shortly. So, lots of fun stuff. Oh, and I use the multimeter, so, everything takes a little extra time. After this.
Yeah.
Technically,
Fire!
technically you're supposed to have a heat gun, but I don't have a heat gun.
Just in case anybody hears a weird sound, that's the bread maker going in the background because it's pizza night. You're done?
I think so. I just have to plug it in. We'll turn it on. It should work. And then I will tidy up all my wires and clean all this dangly stuff.
Power on and water pump.
Okay, it's filling up. I see the water coming through.
Okay. Do you want me to turn it on?
And it stopped, so that means there's no
Leaks?
leaks here yet. Okay, it didn't blow up.
Hey! Great success! Woo!
Sounds like there's way more water pressure than the old one, right?
Yeah, it definitely
Yeah.
seems like the flow is a little greater.
EO.
EO.
This is definitely the best way we've found to get fresh, pure, clean drinking water while sailing and RVing. I'll link to all the filters that we have here and the water purifier in the description below and on the blog post if you want to find out more.
Oh, and
And? I think we have a discount.
we have a discount code. I think you saved like $100 bucks or something.
Oh, $100. Holy crap.
Oh, maybe not. Maybe it's
Oh,
less than that.
yeah.
I don't know. Don't call me. Yeah.
And the final project. Nice and tidy.
Voila. Congratulations, you have one more task to scratch off of the list. You may reward yourself with a glass of water.
Well, I thought you were going to say beer or wine or something more exciting.
You can have that after a glass of water.
Water's good.
Okay. It's pizza night. Yeah.
I can't wait any longer. Oof.
Okay. Go for it. on a scale of 1 to 10.
A 12 for Tonga.
Okay, what about outside? Ooh, let's go hardcore.
Oh, don't do that.
I know. If we were in Italy, how would it rate?
8.
That's still pretty
Not too
good.
bad for island ingredients.
What are you looking at?
I gotta take off the radar to replace it, and I don't know if it's like a Phillips head or like a hex bolt. This is the only thing with a long enough lens to see up there. Otherwise, I have to go up and down, up and down. I don't want to do that if I don't have to.
Work smarter, not harder.
Yeah, looks like it might be socket. Socket set to the rescue.
Okay.
Poor little stack pack.
A little bathing, a little sun. Be all right.
Do you want to unzip it or later? I don't know.
I'm a little afraid.
Maybe later?
It's like one of those things. It's like, open it up and then jump back, because you just never know what's gonna be in there. Woo! No, we should do it because it needs to air out anyway, right?
Okay. Do you want to do it or do you want me to do it?
I can do it. I can do it. You would think it's like the Loch Ness monsters in there or something. But it could be. Who knows what we're disturbing in there? Release the Kraken.
Oh, there is a nest.
Is there?
Yeah. Oh man.
Can't see it from there. Oh. Is there anything in it? Oh no. Oh. Oh, I hate that. Oh, that is heartbreaking. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh. Makes me all teary-eyed.
I'm gonna Google how long it takes for bird eggs to hatch. Because if it's only a week, oh, but then they gotta live there.
Yeah. It's not good. I mean, we'd have to kick them out no matter what. Oh, they're so beautiful.
This one's vacant.
Is there another one?
No,
Oh, yeah. Okay, so how sad is this? My love of living things is clearly not equal because I have no problem kicking the wasps out and like getting rid of their larvae and tossing away their nest like it's no big deal. Yet I want to cry over the bird's nests. So that's, you know, something to ponder. Yeah. This is not where they should live. There are lots of natural, fantastic places for them to be. This is not a good place for them. And we're going to be moving. We're not a tree. We are not part of nature in that way.
Okay, let's stop right there because what was supposed to be a simple task of going up the mast, removing the radar, and replacing it turned into a completely different side mission. And it's one that we're going to share next time. But if you're wondering about when we're going to splash, well, assuming the weather cooperates and we get everything done, the yard has said they will try and get us in by the end of the week. So keep your fingers crossed for us. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and all that other YouTube junk that you know you're supposed to do because other people have told you how to do it.
Pretty much.
All right. Bye, guys. Thanks for joining us. I don't know what that was. Well, sound Australian. Hey.
I'm just helping you. I'm helping. This is where I send you when you're a bad husband. Buffing. Polishing. No. Waxing.
Put the batteries in backwards. Let's replay that footage. I haven't used these tools in forever. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just clicking things. How do you use this thing?
No, not that one.
Where's the scissors?
You mean get you a stripper?
It's a rare sight to see man being birthed.
I could have come up with something really good there, but my brain wasn't working.
Good day, mate. I've just come from down under.
No.
No.